Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I'm here for the unboxing of my Secret Santa in July Swap 2025. And that is hosted by our friend Carol at Crinkled Path, Pam Angela, Sarah at New England Junk Journals, and myself. By now you've probably noticed those are not my hands. That is not my craft room. That is because I had to go to the lake. Santa hadn't stopped by before I left, and dear Demi Rose agreed to open my package so that I can open it and get my video out. So here we go, and I'm already loving the colors I'm seeing. Oh, that is cute. That looks very 80s. Make a cute Christmas 80s journal, wouldn't it? I'm seeing this for the first time. I haven't watched the video. She just sent it to me. And here we are with an adorable, oh my gosh, I love that little patchwork around that card. And that says, love from your Secret Santa. This I'm curious about because it's a whole lot of prettiness. Oh, she's going to show me that. Is she showing me next? Nope, she's making me wait. Coronet. That is interesting. I've never seen one of those. Have you guys seen this magazine? Oh, that is cool. I like, oh my gosh, that's cute. That is so awesome. I'm going to have to look that up. I can't wait to see this when I get home. To touch and feel all of these yummy things. Thank you, Santa. That's a really cute magazine, book. I'm not sure. I'm assuming it's a magazine. Love. Maybelline. That's really cool. I have never seen one of those in the wild. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, a mushroom and a frog patch. So cute. I love those colors. I might put those on my jeans. Or a jean jacket. Oh, that's pretty. A hanky with some embroidery. Oh, those colors are precious. That would go cute in a baby journal, wouldn't it? Adorbs. This is fun doing this way, but I really want to touch these things. I can't wait to get home. Ooh, copper flowers. Nice. Oh, I like those a lot. Demi, she may have to be hired. She's pretty good at this. Moving day. Are those mice? They are. That is cute. I gotta get on these mouse journals. I cannot wait. They're, oh my gosh, those images are cute. Look at him. My eyes aren't that good, so I can't see. Looks like it's one of those little golden books, but I can't see who is the author of it. She's probably opening that going, why does she have a mouse book? Good neighbor. Are those? Oh, I can't read it. Hold on. Okay, I zoomed in. It says, a little elf told me you don't like fussy cutting. Cute. Little Richard Scary. That is cute. Oh my gosh. She stuck all the fussy cutting in there. Love you, Santa. You know, speaking of Santa and mice, oh my gosh, those are wonderful. Thank you, thank you. I don't like fussy cutting. We had Santa Mouse that used to come to our house along with Santa Claus. We would leave him cheese. I think I've shared that before. And I have the book Santa Mouse. Oh my gosh, look at all those. Look at those little kiddos. I love those bears, too. Oh, when I get home, I'm going to play with those. I might have to do a video right away. Hopefully, by the time I get home, the reveal will happen. Santa Package 3 will be here, and I can do that right away. So you're probably going to see these pretty close together on the videos. You'll probably see this one, and then very shortly after, maybe the very next video will be the reveal. Who is my Santa? I have no clue. I mean, whoever Santa is very sneaky. Do any of you have a good idea? This is definitely motivation for me to get going on my mousy journals. A picnic with the Barleys. That's cute too. Have never seen that. I've never seen any of these. Look at that with them. Is that a mushy? First page is a winner for sure. Oh yeah. See now, oh my gosh, that's adorable. Is that on a pen? Cute. I wonder how she recorded this. She's doing a pretty good job. Maybe she used my tripod, maybe. Oh my goodness, look at that. Love those colors. Oh, my laundry's done. Be sure to check out the description for all of the lovely artists participating. It's a lot of fun to watch all of the innovations and the creativity. So much fun every year. Thank you, Santa. And look at that. Now, I can't tell if that is a napkin. I'll follow up on my next video, but super cute. Thank you, Santa, so much. And until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.